How to add apps and bots in Slack. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Slack on your device and log into your account. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, click on Edit Settings. After you click on Edit Settings in here, click on Integrations. In Integrations, scroll down and click on Add an App. After that, here you'll find all apps and bots. You can search for it, scroll down, or you can search for it in the search bar at the top. After you find the app you want to download, press on Install, and it will be added to your channel. This is how to add apps and bots in Slack. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.